You've probably come across those super satisfying backyard restoration videos recently, the ones going crazy viral on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube right now. Some channels have uploaded just a few of these videos, and they've already gained a massive number of subscribers. And the best part? These videos are 100% AI generated. Just look at channels like this. They've been uploading backyard restoration videos and gained thousands of subscribers and millions of views. Here's another channel doing the same thing. The views are growing like crazy. Literally every video is pulling in thousands, even millions of views. One of their videos crossed 5.9 million views, and their channel recently hit 19K subscribers. And trust me, there are tons of small creators right now growing super fast using this exact format. Now, why is this happening? Because these videos are visually satisfying and highly engaging, which means platforms like YouTube and TikTok push them hard in the algorithm. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional video editor. You don't need expensive cameras. You don't even need filming equipment. You just need the right idea, the right prompt, and the right AI tool. But here's the problem. Creating these kinds of videos can be difficult and time-consuming if you follow a basic workflow. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a master prompt system that does all the works for you. It generates perfect image prompts, highly detailed video prompts, and a complete step-by-step workflow. So you don't have to think, just paste and generate. And to turn those prompts into cinematic AI videos, we'll use Higgsfield, a powerful AI video generator that gives you high-quality image generation, multiple video models like Kling and Wan, and an end-to-end cinematic workflow, all in one place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create viral backyard restoration videos, completely with AI. So don't skip any part. Let's get started. First, head over to this Google Doc linked in the description and copy this prompt. Paste it in ChatGPT and hit generate, and it will then generate you a highly detailed prompt with 4 image prompts and 3 video generation prompts. Now simply visit Higgsfield website. Link for it will be available in description. Sign up with your email ID, and once logged in, click on the Image tab and click on this Create Image option in the drop-down menu. Here, select the quality for your image and the desired aspect ratio. You can also switch between different models like Seedream, GPT Image, and many others. I will use Nano Banana Pro for this video. Head back to ChatGPT and copy this first image prompt. Paste it here and hit generate, and within few minutes, it will generate you the image of an old and dirty backyard. Now click on this image and click on this reference button in the bottom right corner. The image will be added to the prompt box. Now copy this second image prompt. Paste it here and hit generate, and you will get the image of the same backyard with some workers and construction process. Repeat the process for third image. Sometimes the camera angle may change slightly. If that happens, just regenerate once and it fixes itself. Now generate the final image, and once all images are ready, let's move on to the next part, which is video generation. For this, simply click on this video tab and select Create Video in the drop-down menu, as Higgsfield provides many different video generation models. But the models like Kling 2.6, 2.5, and VO has the best quality, so just scroll down and select Kling 2.6 model and select the video duration and the aspect ratio. Upload the image and paste the first video generation prompt here and hit generate, and within few minutes, it will generate you high-quality video like this.
Let's start by clearing these broken panels carefully. I'll handle removing the debris while you begin digging. The soil needs to be cleared thoroughly for the foundation. The frame is looking solid. Keep the alignment tight. All the soil piles are settling well under the frame.
Now let's try the same scene with a different model. Switch the model to 2.5. Select the video duration and video quality. Hit generate, and you will get video like this. Now let's generate the same video using VO. So switch model to VO 3.1 and upload the first image as starting frame and second image as ending frame. Paste the video generation prompt. Select the video quality, aspect ratio, and duration of the video, and hit generate, and within few minutes you will get video like this. Now select the second image as starting frame and third image as ending frame. copy this second video generation prompt and paste it here and hit generate. And within few seconds, you will get the second clip like this. Now repeat the same process for third clip and generate video using third image as starting frame and fourth image as ending frame. And once you got all the clips, download them and import them in any video editor and stick them together and add some background music. And once the editing is complete, you will get video like this. So that's how you can generate these viral backyard renovation videos completely with AI. And that's it for today's video. Now you know exactly how to generate viral backyard restoration videos.